Every bug reported by your customers or internal users has to be read, evaluated, and prioritized by someone. And most teams do this one email at a time. Here's what automated bug triage looks like. AI reads every bug, gives it a priority and a category, and routes it to the right team the moment it comes in. And it's not just a label. Each ticket includes the AI's reasoning and the original report right below it, so the team has full context without digging through an inbox. Here's how the workflow is built. Gmail, pulling in unread bugs from the inbox. A loop, processing each one at a time. AI, evaluating severity, category, and the right team. A code node, mapping that priority to Jira's own priority levels. And finally, a new issue created directly in Jira, ready for the team to act on. That's it. 5 modules, 0 manual triage. Check the description for the steps, and see you next time.